morning. Good morning. Good morning. Something is burning, oh. Something is burning. Are you okay?
And then she said I must marry the old man so that she can pay the 1.2 million naira that she's owing him.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So she's not your mother?
I grew up into seeing her as a mother.
Hi.
She's my uncle's wife. She, my uncle and their daughter are the only family I have.
What about your father?
I don't know who my father is. Although I heard he's a wealthy man. I don't know him. My mother died while giving birth to me. I don't know what to do. I can't marry that man. He's too old for me. I don't know what to do. I'm just tired of this life. Tired. I don't even have the money to give to her.
It's on now. Nah, you don't sleep. Just now we reach, you don't sleep. It's on now. Have fun now. Just come now, I don't sleep.
Is the food not ready?
Oh my, just tired. This question you just asked me. It just tired me. Like, it just tired me. Like, where this girl? Yeah, come, where you? Have fun now. Bring this food, eat, come out here now. Don't take forever now. We could eat, come out here now. We dey work now. She can't see with this one now. We just sit down anyhow, the wait. We get work to do. We don't reach 2 hours now. We don't sit down here. Which kind of rice we dey cook now, gold?
2 hours? Have we been here for 2 hours? Why are you exaggerating? Madam, please, when is the food ready?
Okay. Okay, no verse. In the next 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Okay then, just get me a bottle of malt. Let me wait for the food.
Okay, sir.
Mama, da!
Nani, good afternoon, sir.
Where is your mother?
Nani, she's not in the shop. I'm the only one here now.
Oh, you are the only one here now.
Yes, sir.
It's like your mother wants to joke with me. She wants to play games with me. Don't worry. I will go to the house and meet her there. I will show her that no one messes with Ichia or four in this land and go free. I will go and meet her there.
Yeah, madam. How long more we wait again?
Okay, relax now. I tell you 15 minutes.
She said 15 minutes now.
15 minutes?
Yes.
That's another 2 hours now.
What do you mean now?
Just did a shout 2 hours. What's happen? I bet no dey follow me talk that like that too. Okay, I might bring your Martina for you, abeg.
Nah, go abeg, go bring food, person eat abeg.
Also, she was about to do that when that man stepped in now. Did you not hear the conversation between them?
No, a hungry man is an angry man. Are you hungry?
Also, are you the only one hungry? You have a spiritual problem. You need to go to church.
I agree. I think this one. Just wait for nothing. You see where they cook now, see where the whole village won't eat.
Okay, your Martina, abeg.
Thank you very much.
Open up,
Don't worry, I'll use my tea. Please hurry up with the food there.
Oh.
You can bring water for him to drink.
Okay.
No way, Your Majesty. I am very sorry, but I will not undertake this project with this incompetent manager of yours. This kingdom is my future home, And the prince is my future husband. It is my utmost responsibility to make sure this royal oil and gas runs smoothly without any scandalous traits. And this man here is very incompetent, and I'm sorry I cannot work with him. I'd rather he move down to the Port Harcourt branch and remain there. I came into this country to make sure things run smoothly for my future father-in-law, not to work with this man.
And no, Barbara. I won't sit here and watch you insult me or try to tarnish the image I worked so hard to build. What the hell is wrong with you?
Leonard, sit down. Barbara, be seated. I said sit down. Both of you, will you sit down now? Why is it that you people always quarrel? Even in the presence of our king and queen, you don't have respect.
No, thank you. Leonard.
Yes, Your Highness.
Barbara.
Yes, Your Majesty.
When will you both ever learn to work together? Well, just a minor correction. And both of you know for sure that you are both highly qualified for this job. There is no need this rivalry. Just that my son is not in the country. And that's where I expected you to represent him by working together for the growth of this company. Rather, you want to fight? You want to quarrel? I don't know where you're heading.
I heard he was her senior back then in the university. And he really dealt with her. But both of you are here now, on the same level, in this company. Barbara, my love, you have to learn to work with him. Leonard has been in this company for over a decade. Way before you joined, from then up until now, there had not been any trace of fraud or whatsoever. Please, my love, learn to work with him. Learn to coexist.
I am sorry, Your Majesty, but I cannot work under his command. Can he just operate?
Oh, maybe. The company now belongs to you, and so you can take your decision. You must learn to work as a team. And as for you, Leonard, you are a gentleman. I expect that you know how to talk to a woman in such a way that she will understand that she is needed.
Yes. The quality of a leader is on how you carry everybody along.
Leonard, it's very simple. We have said it all. There's no need for both of you to fight. Management by objective, that's all. You achieve your goal. I end my case.
Yeah, you said you're looking for who exactly?
Actually, yesterday I noticed a beautiful lady who was carrying a gallon of water on her head. She walked into this compound. So I believe she lives here, so I'm here to look for her.
Oh, that should be my daughter, Adana. Wow. Adana! Your friend is here. Good morning, sir. This is my daughter, beautiful girl. Come, let me see you now. Fine girl.
Yes. But not her. Not this one.
Huh?
Yeah, but that one is light skin and more beautiful too.
Oh, that one. She's not my daughter. She's not my daughter. By now she's now at home herself. By now she must have been walking up and down, sharing, knocking up and down.
What do you mean by sharing, knocking? Or is that she hugged something or what?
She has gone to her boyfriend's house. Numerous. He has countless boyfriends.
Oh.
before she comes home, maybe next week or next 2 weeks. That's what she does.
Oh, and she's not your daughter?
Mm-mm.
It's okay, maybe I will come around some other time to check on her.
Check on her again.
Like, when do you think she'll be around?
I don't know. I don't know. What is that your name? You didn't tell me your name.
Oh, my name. My name is Maurice Judge. No, my friends call me the Big M.
Big M.
I'm one of the big spender in town, you know.
Let me ask you, is this your car?
This is the cheapest among my cars. I have chains of cars. Well, she shut down, man. We eat money. When I enter shutdown, the big spender, man. Like the big M. You see, I'll come around some other time so that
to see her.
Yeah.
To see my daughter.
By then she'll be around. Then you guys
to see my daughter. Okay, take care of you.
It's okay.
Bye.
It's okay. As a big M.
Mama, see you later.
Where are you going to?
You did not see that big man that just left here?
Uh-huh.
I am very certain that that man is going after Uzioma to get her information. And where do you think that will be? In your shop now. That's where I need to be. So I'm going to the shop.
To do what now?
Okay. Huh? Why they ask this kind of thing now, eh? You're supposed to know. Will I allow Uzioma to get that man? Abi, you know, see him? Big car, smelling money. Now my spec.
I go.
Yeah, now. I'll see you
Now you're talking now.
Mama.
See, don't touch my meat there or else thunder will fire out your mouth. Don't touch my meat, oh. This is my girl. Good point. To block the man. Hey! Must do some get everything good.
Obi, my husband, since you woke up this morning, you have been so moody. What is the problem? What happened?
Ojugo, I'm fine.
You know, you are not a good liar. Tell me what is eating you up. We can talk about it.
I want my son to come back and marry the princess. I want him to come back and marry.
My king, we just spoke to your son, my son, and he gave us his word that he is coming back to Nigeria soon. Or are you worried that he will marry a white woman? No, now. Our son is smarter than that. Yes. He knows he has a wife in Oledo, the princess. Yes, theirs is a match made in heaven. So rest your heart. Okay? Hey.
Ojugo.
My king.
Ojugo, I am disappointed in you. Yes, you as a first lady,
And as the queen of this kingdom, I am disappointed in you and your daughter.
My king, what did we do? What happened?
Few days ago, your uncle brought a report that his daughter died while giving birth. She was buried same day alongside the dead baby. Now you couldn't even send a condolence message. No visit. Not even putting on a mourning outfit. You're on subject.
A girl that got pregnant out of wedlock. My king.
The point here is that she is human. She is human. And you can understand the pain of losing that child.
My king, so what you're saying is, if even a prostitute dies in this kingdom, I, as the queen, should go and pay condolence. Nisim. So I am the only one who is supposed to go pay condolences when a virgin or non-virgin dies. What are you doing?
Ojugo,
you
are wicked.
Are you not?
You are heartless.
Did you go there? Oh, because you see me happy, you don't like it. Let me leave this place for you. Enjoy your stay.
I do not.
Because
I do not blame you. You are heartless. You are heartless, Oju. We are talking about humans here. Talking about life.
That was so funny. Seriously.
What nonsense. Whenever you see me happy, you start behaving like it. Mother. Is it not your father, the king? He does not want to see me happy at all. I don't know what I did to him.
Good morning, my queen.
How are you, dear?
Thank you. Mother, let me go in and speak with father because I don't understand what you're saying.
It's all right if you want to speak with him, but please be careful so that you don't become his prey. I don't really know what is wrong with him. Oh, my love.
My queen. Excuse me, please. It's okay, my princess.
Welcome once again.
You look absolutely gorgeous.
Ah, thank
This
you.
dress.
Is it the dress or the body that is wearing the dress?
Oh, Mama, everything is cool.
Madam! Madam!
Yeah?
Come. Nah, Alpha. I need extra. This food no belle for me. I need extra.
You want only extra soup or with the swallow?
Everything now.
Everything together.
Add an extra meat.
My friend. Customer
How much you don't make today?
How much chop?
How much have you made today?
I'm first chop, I
I
beg.
need extra. Put one meat.
See when you call me. We are sorry now. I went to do chores on my mother. I went to buy something. Oh, I'm fine. Sorry. So you stay here, while I go and buy vegetables. I'll be back soon. Okay, come back soon because I have cheese. And behave. You have cheese. Don't joke with me. You know I don't joke with cheese. This one is premium cheese. Premium cheese. Hot one. I'm coming. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Yeah? I don't know. Come and go to the house. Go to the house. Pack all my dirty clothes outside. Wash them. Allow it to dry. Fold them nicely and put it away. And while you're waiting, clean my room. But I'm going to the market to buy vegetables. There's no more vegetables in the kitchen. That is why she's here now. Is she not your friend? Bestie? Help her. Help your bestie in need. Yeah, give her the money. Give her money now. Give me. Ouch. Give me. Take. How much vegetables? It's 1,000. Oh yeah, take. You don't need transport. Do exercise. Go. Go. Get out of here. Is it your mother's shop? Which money? Go. Oh yeah, sister. Yeah, hey. Pull it. Oh yeah, bring it. Go. Leave now. Madam, go. Follow your friend. Birds of the same feathers.
Madam, where the extra now? Where the extra?
Who is this one? What do you want? Stop shouting.
So you can't shout for me? Now insult me like
Will you just say what you want?
Omo, this girl dey rude though. I say I need extra. Give me extra.
You need what? Speak English. Are you dumb and deaf and poor at the same time?
I need the pando and the soup. Extra.
Why will you be double crossing somebody?
Excuse me.
Excuse you for what?
Come on. Come on, man. You're beautiful.
Oga, stop following me. I do not like men following me. I don't appreciate that.
Okay, I'm sorry about that, but you know you're a pretty girl. I just want to know your name.
I don't have your name.
For real?
In fact, I don't know my name. Can you please leave me alone now? Please.
It's difficult for me to leave you alone because I am the big M, man. Just allow me to lavish my money on you. Come on.
So because you think you dressed nicely with a big car, that will impress me?
No, it's not about that. Let me walk in now. Look at me.
Oga, please, the sun is too scorching. Please.
That is why
Stop
I have
following
to...
me.
Can we go inside the car, please? I am the big M. I'm going to make life comfortable for you. Allow me to lavish my money on you.
I am not interested.
Okay, your name, please.
What kind of problem is this? I said I don't have a name. Can you leave me?
Pretty girl, it's not possible for the big M to just let you go like that.
Just leave me alone, please.
Come on, pretty girl. I can't just leave you alone if you don't tell me your name.
Ha! One chance. Okay, fine. My name is Ozioba.
Wow.
Can I go now?
Ozzy, baby.
Thank you,
yes,
sir.
allow me to drop you. Excuse me.
Baby, you know I love you. I would do anything to make you happy. How much is the money? Okay, I'll have it sent to you. That will put a smile on your beautiful face. Okay? Okay. Babe, just give me some few minutes. I'll call you back, okay? How may I help you?
I don't want to start with you again. Take a proper look at a pie chart and template you want to use for an international project. Are you sure you think? You don't deserve this office. You need to get the hell out of this office.
Barbara, last I checked, you have an office, right? And you have a seat. Why not sit down and get things done? Why bring it into my office? What point did you want to achieve with this?
That is what an incompetent manager would always say. Always busy with love calls. Flirting and frolicking with dirty girls. Well, that is none of my business. I need this to be perfectly arranged before sending that ugly looking thing you call a secretary to my office.
Interesting.
Boss the driver, he no get money, but he get a konuche. Money for the maintenance of the motor. He no get money, no get but he get a konuche.
What is this?
What do you look like?
Why you dey give me 10,000? Your money is 17,600.
17? Wait, now boss driver, wait.
Hello, you ate extra food now. Maybe that is why.
For white soup?
For green soup, people like say you dey mad. No mind this food. When you dey order for extra soup, you no know say white soup na premium enjoyment for gas. You dey crazy. Oga, balance me my money.
You talk India. No sabi man. You talk Kenya. You talk the gun in here. The cap. No sabi man. No talk to me with respect.
Give me my balance, man, with respect.
What you get talk with that one now? White soup now. You dey cheap for that places now. Which one be 17,000? Wait I eat. That small pound wey you give me.
Please, how much is there?
This is 10,000. I need the balance of 7,600
Oga,
naira.
give her 7,600. Please.
Give me my balance now.
No touch me again, no. No touch me, I don't like you.
I know they follow poor people, they
Hold
argue.
on,
See
give her the
in
balance
head
now.
like Moby
Give her.
stick.
This thing, all the money we don't work with this. So
Count the money and give.
now all with this, now all wait, now I can give her 7,000.
Hey, you ate extra food now when I was
Try.
looking at
Okay, I go call your boys for you. Give me my money. What's it be this?
Oh, you ate extra food now.
Wait. What did you feel like, self? How you dey see yourself? Eh? You dey see yourself say you too fine on waiting. You call yourself say you fine girl, you get class. You dey here dey help your mama dey sell food. Why no go outside go build house, buy car for your mama? They are the fun. They call start route to me. Some they worry you.
Your money too much. Take.
Give me on my change.
Don't break my
Let's go,
hand, though.
let's
They
go.
carry your property, they go.
Stupid
They
girl.
go.
Mugu. You see who this guy? See you, eh?
Oga, come carry your goods from here.
You don't go see husband.
They go.
You don't go see husband.
Come on for here, you dey
I
craze.
don't go that talk and my man say, eh? This girl, you don't go see husband.
You don't get shame.
You don't go see
oh.
husband marry.
You don't get
Babasi,
shame.
you
Come on
get
for
bad
here.
character.
Get out.
Just, if you touch me, I go like you. I go like you.
Oga, come on for here. You dey mad. You dey crazy.
If I beat you myself, don't beat you, man.
Get out. See as e be. See poverty.
You don't get level.
Come on for here.
You don't get level. If I beat myself, don't beat you, man.
Idiot. See as e be. Bunkum. Fool. I hate poor people. They annoy me. Where is this guy? But he's supposed to come here to see Ozoma. Now what's keeping him? What's happening?
Father, I'm back. I want to buy vegetables.
You are back. You want to buy vegetables? We should blow siren for you. Is it not ordinary vegetables you went to buy? My friend, leave my friend. Come. Did you see Ozioma? Did you see her on the road talking to any man?
Ozioma man. I'm not sure man any man. No.
Even though you saw her, will you tell me? You both are birds of the same feather. Says the man. You don't know what is man today again.
But wait, I thought you sent her to the house.
My friend, take the vegetables inside. Don't tell me what you thought. There you go. I'll stay in this shop today. Let me see what you both are up to.
That girl doesn't insult person anyhow. Just get bad mouth. Eh? What did she even feel like? Bro, I don't go there go eat white soup again. No. I don't go there again. So we don't go there again.
How?
What don't be how?
Can you explain what you mean? Her bad character is not enough reason to ignore that sweet food.
Which sweet food? Now only that they sell sweet food. Bro, now we carry you go there. I know that spot for this town, they sell good white soup. Maybe that get a place we go again. We don't go there again.
Also, you took me there quite alright. I ate her food. I liked it, and I'll go back there again. You can't stop me.
Hey, so now they tell you say I know that places. Let me carry you go there and get places I will carry you go enjoy the food very well. Leave that girl. That girl nearly forced me to death. If I don't like that good one for face like this, for don't understand. I believe for those reset one time. Can't go where they say better food. We come.
Also, it's time to hustle. Go to the back.
No wahala now. Make me a drive today. Go do conductor now. You know you don't dey drive for how many days?
Also, you are the conductor and I'm the driver. Go to your duty post now.
No blame you now. Because your papa carry this bus settle you. Can't they be like say they go what they are.
Also, go and conduct.
No wahala. Go Abraka Junction. I will see passengers. So even we made this nonsense food digest very well. People like digestion they go hustle.
Bust the river, he no get money, but he get a conuche. Money for the maintenance of the motor. He no get money, no get fanboy no money.
You okay? I don't know. I need my money, Ogechi. I want my money, nothing but this morning. What have I done wrong to you? What have I done wrong? You said you needed land. I sold the land to you. Gave you the land, even when you did not pay the money complete. It's now 2 months plus that you are supposed to give me back my remaining balance of 1.2 million. You are not forthcoming. All you are saying is, you are dribbling me, telling me stories. Today, you must give me my money. I've come for it.
See, I don't have the money. I don't have the money.
You don't have the
Be
money.
calming down now. Nah, calm down.
I should be coming down.
See, I have something I want to give you that is more than that money.
Something, you're a liar. It's not all that you're dribbling. What do you have to give me? What do you have to offer that will be bigger than my 1.2 million? Bia, nye me gom.
Nah,
Hey, gom can chota.
Stop shouting. Eh? You love shouting. You are free. You are a friend, not an enemy. You love shouting. See,
You
I
know what you
have
mean now?
something valuable than that money that I want to offer to you.
What do you have that can be more valuable than my 1.2 million?
Calm down.
Isiasi, you can name that ego today.
Calm down. Naya, sit down. Let me entertain you first. Benolan.
I better run for entertainment.
Calm down.
I didn't come
See,
for
you
entertainment.
are a friend. We are not enemies. Naya.
We're enemies, oh. We're enemies now.
You see, I will give you something you enjoy forever.
Please.
Calm down. Come and sit down. Come. Come and sit down. Come now. Come. Come and sit down.
One mother. You're back. So quick. I'll give me with you.
Is it not Adana? Mama, is it not that stupid girl? That girl came to the shop, asked Tozoma to go to the house and wash her clothes. Not only wash the clothes, she asked Tozoma to stand under the sun for the clothes to dry. Then she will go and mop her room. And me, for Nanya, that I should go to market and buy vegetables. What are besties for? Makachuku mama, open a yabro shop, I would have beaten that girl black and blue. Go. Makona shop on me.
So your friend Ozioma was not at the shop today. This is strange.
It's true. Mama, who is Zuku? I'm suspecting that girl. Is it that she came there to steal food? It's not even food. She came there to steal money. So that they will not come and say Ozoma that stole the money. I'll be there.
Are you serious? And she dressed well so that she will from there and go to her boyfriend.
Mama, you needed to see her. She was wearing one short gown with hair. That girl has finished her mother's money. She's using it to buy hair, fine clothes. Look at Ozoma now wearing rags. That's what she came there to do. She came to steal money.
Oh, wow. You call Nyamuma. No problem. Go and fetch firewood. Let me cook.
Mama, firewood. Let's use gas now. She will have cylinder in the house. You were an chef. You were using gas. Can you no gas?
Okay, you want us to use gas? No problem. Otego, how much do you have?
I'm not the mother of the house now. I'm not the mother of the house.
Hey! Wait. You are not the mother of the house. And who is the mother of the house? Am I the mother of the house? So I am the mother of the house and you are sure? The mother of the house is standing before you talking and you're telling her how you want it to be. Go and fetch firewood and you're here telling me to use gas. You even added that I'm an old chef.
It's easy now.
Mama, leave that bucket there. Leave it. I said go like that. Go and fetch.
Let me carry knife now, Mama.
Don't try. Collect from them. Collect from them. So you know that I'm the mother of the house. And I'm telling you what to do. You're here telling me how an old chef shouldn't use firewood to cook. You got your bucket. And I'm check.
Must that Uzioma now? Their compound is very close to this place.
You mean you know Uzioma?
I know her very well now. I know her. I even know her mother's shop. She stays in her mother's shop almost all the time.
Like, all the time she's always there.
If you go there now, you will see her. Believe me.
Okay, can you take me there? Let me take you to that shop.
Hey, boss, it's like you like this girl.
Just take me there.
Well, she's a very fine girl. But the thing is that she doesn't like smiling with strangers.
Don't worry about that. Enter my car, just take me there.
Okay, no.
Okay, let's go.
No, boss.
JJ.
Go to Isuka. Also, so.
Yes. You like the food?
It's very sweet.
Thank you.
In a sequeno rice.
Why am I go to restaurant?
No wonder.
Oziama! Oziama! Ozzy! Come.
Okay. Where are we?
Come and clear this table.
Oh, okay.
If you keep the tray, you come back. I want you back here.
Mama, I'm still sweeping inside.
Go and drop that thing and come back or see my mom sweeping inside. Are you challenging me or what?
This is in your Jukuma for.
Welcome.
Where is my money?
Money?
Yes.
Yeah. I say, calm down. Your blood to the heart. Calm down. I said I will give you something more valuable than that, your money. Okay. And I'll do it now.
Okay, just calm down, calm down.
Calm
Give
down.
me something more valuable
Calm down.
1.2 million.
Oh, this 1.2 million. Calm down.
Oziama! I don't understand.
Come.
You cannot use this food to bribe me.
Calm down with here. This is Oziama. Do you know her?
Yes. What happened?
I want you to marry her. Jesus. What has Jesus got to do with this? Osim Jesus. Huh? You will marry him. I want you to go with him as a wife. See,
marry her?
Yes. Marry her and forget about that money.
Mama, Mama, how can you be saying this? A man that is old enough to be my father.
Father? Do you know what is father? Do you have father? He will husband you and father you at the same time.
Thank you. I will take very good care of you.
Mama, Biko, please.
What are you doing?
Mama, please don't do this to me, please. I can't marry this man. He's too old.
What are you begging me now? No, what are you kneeling now begging me for? Eh? You will go with him. I want you to marry him. I'm owing him and I don't want to pay. I want you to follow. See a young man like this. You say old enough to be your father. Though he's a widower, he has 8 children. They need somebody to take care of them. And you're here, wasting.
I will take good care of you.
Mama, Biko, don't do this to me, please. This man is
go inside because he's coming to pick you. Or you are going with him. You want to go with him now? You are going inside first. Go inside.
Ugochi, you are a very wise woman.
Yes, now. That was why I said, calm down. That I want to give you something more valuable.
The question I want to ask her, how do you know that my eyes has been on her or your daughter?
No, on her. On Nka.
Oh, Marichan.
Not my daughter. See, this one is Pino Gen Z. You got to name
Okay, prolong all my life.
And let me tell you, she's good in Zazaru. Just go with her, just to be fair.
I know I will be a very good one.
Now that place.
Adam very good.
Perfect man and perfect girl.
You see, I shall come with my kinsmen in 2 days' time.
I don't even want to see your
kinsmen. Just let me go and tell my children.
Bam! That is what I would accept. Tell them that you are coming back with
Napuma.
Love will not be by force, love will not be by guy. If he enter love with a guy, you go come out with the disgrace. If he enter love with a by force, you go come out with the disgrace. If he enter love with a guy, you go come out with the disgrace. If he enter love with a greedy, you go come out with the disgrace. If he enter love with the wickedness, you go come out with the disgrace. Best of the same feathers flows together. Wicked people, Ndab your joy. Mama and her daughter, Ndia Jamadu Nekwaha. God is watching you. Love will not be by force, love will not be by guy. If he enter love by guy, you go come out with the disgrace. If you enter love by wire, you go come out with the disgrace. If he enter love with the jealousy, you go come out with the disgrace.
Father, I'm sorry. I will do the needful. And please, I don't want you to be too hard on me or my mother. Please.
It's alright. I'm fine.
Thank you, Father. Father, I also want you to know that I and Princess Ola will visit the deceased family.
Okay. Please do, okay? Do. You should visit them.
Thank you, Father. And Father, please, one more thing. Please, I don't like this quarreling, this heat between you and Mother. It's not telling well. What example are you showing to me? I'll someday get married. Please, I know there is a way you can just slow it down. Please.
Like I said, I'm fine. It's okay.
Thank you, Father. I should be on my way now.
It's okay.
Thank you, Father. Thank you.
It's okay. That's my princess.
Good morning, Ebuka.
Good day, Uri. I have been calling you. Why haven't you come to me? Why?
I've been busy. I've been cleaning the princess room.
Oh, I can see. I got this for you. I know you will like it.
This is my 7th day in this palace. You guys keep gifting me.
We guys? Uri, who are we exactly? Huh?
Ebuka, what is going on here?
Urema, if any maiden looks for your trouble in this palace, make sure you come to me. Make sure you report to me. Is that clear?
Alright. Excuse me.
Good. Babe, what's up?
I don't want to believe it is what I'm thinking.
What are you thinking?
Ebuka.
What are you thinking? See what I got for you.
But I just saw you giving it to her.
When?
Just now.
I bought this for you. And I know you will love it.
Let me check.
You see?
Wow!
I said
this
it.
is so lovely.
I know you will love it.
I love it. For me.
You know we are still on duty. Eh? Don't let them see us.
Ebuka, I love you so much.
I love you too. It's okay. It's okay. And you know what? I will talk to you later.
Hey, Ebuka, come and wait for me. Anyway, I'll take it to him later too. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
did you enjoy your meal?
Of course, very well. I enjoyed my meal.
Do you need something else?
You know, normally I like to eat before eating or eat after eating. I don't mind.
Is that your car? That one there?
Yeah. Well, I think this is the cheapest among my cars.
Really? Cars? You mean you have plenty of them?
Yes, I have a chain of cars.
My name is Ada. You're my spec.
Ada. My name is Maurice.
Maurice.
They call me the Big M.
Big M. I like that.
Thank you.
Where is your phone? Let me give you my number.
For real?
Let me dial it. Okay, alright. Let me call it so that I will have yours too.
I want you to marry him. I've spoken my mind.
Mama, I can't get married to him. That man is too old for me. Why do you keep doing this to me? Is it because my uncle is late and I have no one to fight for me? You stopped me from taking jam. You keep depriving me from everything good. Is it fair? Now you want me to marry an old man, a man old enough to be my grandfather. I can't get married to him.
Shut up. Just shut up. Be ready to give me 1.2 million naira in my hand. Pamianaka. Because you see that man? You see that man? You must get married to that man whether you like it or not. What is your own problem, sir? What is it? Eh?
See, that man is rich. He can take care of you. He has money. He has 8 children, 4 in Europe, sending him money every now and then. And you're here doing smashing. Bidi are doing nonsense.
Mama, since he is that good, why don't you send Ada to marry him instead?
You're very stupid. You are mad. Thunder fire you here.
Is something wrong with her? So I should marry that old, dirty, stupid, smelling man, and you are here doing what?
I have said mine, and that's period. Aina, or you give me 1.2 million naira.
I'm not giving mine to that man.
Let's see now.
Like you have a choice.
Let's see now.
A
flave, I broke over a flave. Bad a flave. Bad one.
He not get money, but he get a conuche. Money for the maintenance of the motor. He not get money, but he get a conuche. Fine boy, no money. I got you done.
Sir. How are you? I'm fine, sir. Sir, please, is anything the matter?
I'm fine.
No, you don't look fine. You've been sitting down here for over an hour now, just staring at a particular place. Did your boss develop a fault?
Please, can I get some food on credit?
Credit?
I promise to pay later.
Hey.
Our boss got seized by task force.
Chai. Yeah. And what of your friend?
He's not here.
Does he also have what to eat? Just that, you know, I really don't know you too well. This is the third time I'm seeing you here. Mana, it's okay. I'm coming, sir. I think this will do for you and your brother.
My brother?
Yes, sir.
And I?
Yes. But don't bother paying for his own, no. Just pay for yours when you have the money.
Ah, thank you very much. This is very nice of you.
You're welcome,
Ah,
sir.
you're a kind person, no? Thank you.
It's nothing. It's nothing. One more thing, sir. This is 5,000 naira. Take it and go and be your boss. Please don't tell my mother. Your change, sir.
Good afternoon.
Why is everywhere scattered? Why is all the seat like this? Come on, rent this place, my friend. Where's Onyeka? He has gone to play ball, right?
Bro, come on. I like that girl, though.
Which girl?
I dey like that girl wey dey sell food.
Huh? Which one? Food?
Now, not dey sell food now. I think her name na from Naija or something. Yes. That girl fine.
Oh, okay.
She just fine, just set, man. If she shape, man, my spec.
That's your business, it doesn't concern me.
Bro, wake up. Mo just go hospital.
Just you and who? Also, please, I'm not done resting now. So tired. The sun is too much.
Oh, your pops will give you this car, make you dey move. No me say, can give make on the lazy about. So you need to make money from this boss, buy other bosses. See you tired. I'm gonna go hustle now.
Oga, if you're done ranting, let me know. I'm tired. I'm not going anywhere. I'm still resting. And listen, you're going to drive this time. I'm not driving.
Oh, now you want make I drive, Abi? It's at life, B. Who knows tomorrow? You go drive am, fresh boy. Now you go drive am. Go to show yourself anyhow. Mom, rest. Look at the rest now. No wahala.
How much have you made today?
How much you don't make? You're never ready. See, say they ask me. We don't have better money today, oh. Now small money, oh. Some come go hustle, oh. But still go rest. Go rest now. No wahala.
My sweetheart.
This guy's a crazy bitch. Okay. Let me ask you now. Can you send me your net picture? She's typing. Damn! This guy is a bitch. Wow. This is beautiful. I'm sexy too. Okay. Let me see a picture of you from your backside. Just type it. I'm waiting. This guy is a dead bitch. Damn! Oh, look at. I have to zoom in. Okay. She's calling. Hello?
Do you like what you see?
Of course, I like what I'm seeing.
You love them.
You are beautiful.
Thank you. Don't tell me you're that naughty. Well, I got the boobs from my mom and the beauty from God. This one is small. I just want to prove to you that there is nothing that I cannot do for you, my love. Yes. Indeed. Yes. You say what?
You're such a beautiful guy. Then now let me ask you. What if I ask you to come around my place now? Tonight. I can't drive out, Can you? Okay, no worry. Let's do tomorrow. Let's make it another day. You're damn beautiful, and sexy too. Alright. Come on.
Mama. Mama. What is it? You think I'm sleeping? Mama, see you. Mama, see. Maurice has sent another picture. See. See this one. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. Let me show you. What's this? Now see. See fine house. See this cars. This guy is rich. Very rich. He said he's into real estate. And he has a bet shop. Bet Naija? Not Bet Naija. Bet shop where they do all this casino, all these rich men.
That place that people used to make noise. Go.
It's not all those roadside ones. Rich men.
But how were you able to get him by your side?
He has that one. I'm your daughter now. Sharp girl.
Sharp shooter.
Sharp shooter. Oh God.
So now he's going to be my in-law.
Yes, so.
This boy is rich.
Don't like good life.
I like it.
What nonsense do we call this? No, it's not going to happen. How can Ugochi sell you off to a man old enough to be your grandfather? No! I must go to her house first thing in the morning and talk sense into her.
Mama, first thing in the morning. Mama, you're prolonging this matter. Let's go now, see the hot. Let's go now. You cannot marry that man. Oh, Maja, go for big. You cannot marry that man. Mama, that is very wicked. They go to don't mind that woman. You cannot marry Papa. Make us crying now.
Do I have a choice? Do I have a choice? You talk as if I have a choice. You have a choice. You have the right to say yes or no. But let me assure you, you're not going to marry any old man. As long as I'm still living, even if I'm no more, you will not marry that man. It's not going to happen. So relax yourself. I don't want to end up this way.
You cannot end up this way. You cannot end up this way. Crying now because Mama, I will do something. No, she cannot marry that old man. No, she cannot marry him. See, let me tell you. It's that they keep both of us, but it's for you to marry that man. God forbid. You cannot marry that man.
I'll go there now. Let's wait till tomorrow morning.
No marry that man, yes. Mama, let's go now. Let's go now. I see the auto. Let's go now.
Ruth! You saw what you weren't meant to see in the office.
Please, sir. Don't kill me, please. Please.
You have two options. Either you swear or you die. Take this pot and make an oath, saying you will not spill a word to anybody. Not the king, the queen, or the prince. The option is yours.
I miss her. I swear, I will not say a word to anybody. I will keep your secret, sir.
And if you don't, you will die!
Yes.
Hand it over. Barbara, I said leave my office. Now!
I will run you down. Mr. Leonard, by the time I am done with you, you will know that I, Barbara, is your nightmare.
Leave my office.
I am not going to leave until I have the fire in my hands.
And what is the meaning of this madness?
Your Majesty.
Greetings, Your Highness.
I asked him to hand over the payment file to me, but he refused.
Your Highness, She requested from the payment file. Instead of going through me, she went through my secretary, which is not proper.
Hand the file over to her.
Your Majesty.
Don't make me repeat myself. Do you realize that this is my daughter-in-law? Hand the file over to her, and it is a command. Be fast about it. And you, what are you still standing there doing? Will you get out? And both of you, you have to learn how to coexist. You are always at each other's throats. And you, Mr. Leonard, this is my son's wife. If you continue like this, I must tell you, you are treading on a very dangerous ground. Do not underestimate the power of a woman. It is an advice. Barbara, let's go.
Let's go.
This one is my house. Don't push me. Leave my house. Leave my house. Push me. Leave my house. Shame on you. Shame on you. You could not pay your debt. All you had to do is to do slavery.
Is that all you have to say?
Yes.
Is that all you have to say?
So you went and called your boyfriend on me. Why didn't you give your daughter instead? Why?
I will give your own daughter on top of her. You will see.
You're not ashamed.
You will see now. Let's see how it goes. Bet me. No, bet me now.
Mama from Naija, it's okay.
It's not okay.
If you say what? See, if you try anything rubbish, if you dare touch this girl, I'll beat you blue and black. In fact, I'll pound you like pounded yam. Don't look down on me.
No, if Don't
look down on me.
If I sit on you, you are finished.
That is all you have to do.
If I sit on you, you are finished.
You know how to do.
Oh yeah, leave my house.
I'm not going.
Leave my house.
I am not going anywhere.
Leave my house.
I am not going.
I would you. Leave my house.
Stop pushing me.
Leave my house.
Stop pushing me.
Leave my house. Use your own breath.
Use your own breath. I know where I'm leaving you with my breath. With your breath. Stop pushing me. I know where I'm leaving you. Leave me alone.
Use your breath. Use your breath.
Keep your breath. Keep your breath.
Leave my house. That is what I said.
Keep your breath. I know where I'm leaving you.
Onyala, mad woman.
My queen seems worried. What could be the problem?
Igwe.
Talk to me.
Igwe, it's about our son. Igwe, you should have allowed him to marry that girl before traveling to London for his studies. Like you said.
My queen, but I tried. I tried to convince him, but he insisted. There's no way you should be forcing an adult. There's no way I could have forced him to do what he doesn't want.
Igwe, you should have tried more. You should have tried to convince him. You are the Igwe, you are not just the Igwe, he's father.
But don't forget that we trained him to be a man of his own, a future king. So we shouldn't force him. Well, not to worry. I spoke with him and he said he'll be back home soon to marry his wife.
Igwe, I'm not getting any younger. I want grandchildren. Besides, when is soon? Igwe, are you aware that soon can be 5 years?
My queen, I also want to have grandchildren.
Doesn't look like it.
Oh, I don't have to. I look so, but I know that our son will come home to marry his wife.
Igwe, please. I'm not saying it shouldn't be soon. Just get the specific time from him. Try. Let's hope. Let's keep my hope alive, Igwe, please.
Okay, I promise you. When next I call him, I would, make him tell me specifically when. Is that not what you want?
Yes.
I will. Joe, come on. You're not dying tomorrow.
I want grandchildren.
I know as much as I want.
I want grandchildren.
I know.
You're not taking it that serious.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
People are wicked, like they're born to be wicked. I don't know
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Something is burning, oh. Something is burning. Are you okay?
And then she said I must marry the old man so that she can pay the 1.2 million naira that she's owing him.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So she's not your mother?
I grew up into seeing her as a mother.
Hi.
She's my uncle's wife. She, my uncle and their daughter are the only family I have.
What about your father?
I don't know who my father is. Although I heard he's a wealthy man. I don't know him. My mother died while giving birth to me. I don't know what to do. I can't marry that man. He's too old for me. I don't know what to do. I'm just tired of this life. Tired. I don't even have the money to give to her.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my daughter.
I'm okay. You sent for me.
Yes, I did. Barbara, when last did you speak with Prince Michael?
Last?
Yes.
This morning, he called me.
Why did he not engage you before leaving this country for the States? I'm bothered. Yes, both of you were lovers back in the States. I I thought by now you would have been married, but not even a proposal.
Daddy, you worry too much. The prince will be back in a month's time and we will get married. You have absolutely nothing to worry yourself about.
It's all right. One more thing. Why are you fighting with the manager of his father's company? Why the fight?
Dad, Leonard is a fraudulent guy. I mean a fraudster. I know him way back in the uni. I don't know how he happened to be a top manager in the royal company.
We've not heard anything fraudulent about that man, Leonard. Don't be a reason why a man will lose his job. Don't. Better still, tell the Royal Majesty that you don't want to work with him.
That's the problem, Daddy. The king wants me to work with him.
Barbara, stick to why you are in Nigeria. Huh? I want you to be a queen so that I can dive deep and deeper in my friendship with the Royal Majesty. Please, focus on your job. Leave Leonard alone. I am talking to you now as your father.
Okay, Daddy, I've heard you.
Good. You can go now.
Okay, Daddy. Have a good day.
Thank you. Just be careful.
Okay.
Who is that? Coming. Hello.
I'm fine, yes.
Hey, Maria.
Good morning, Izzy.
How was your night?
Fine.
The prince will be returning tomorrow. So I got you beats. I want you to dance with them tomorrow.
Dance?
Yes. All the maidens will dance tomorrow when the prince arrives. So
I can dance, but I don't need beats on my waist to dance.
Izu. Izu, what is going on here?
that'll be all for now.
Alright.
Izu! And you, Urena, what is my Obi doing here with you?
Why not ask your Obi? Why ask me?
Really? You're talking back at me? Izu! Izu!
Sure, you know, say I don't dey toast that bunny before you. Why are you doing this? Eh? Abi you want make we carry gun because of woman? Izu, you no get sense? Ebuka! No, they call me Ebuka guy. Who goes you? Why they enter with my babe? Why they enter him? Ebuka, I'm your senior and your superior. For bush guy, I be your senior. For the confront where me I still belong, I still be your senior guy. Who goes you? You want make I cut you down? Who goes you? Ebuka, you have more than four babes in this kingdom. And 3 of the maidens belongs to you also. What's your problem? Brotherly. Brotherly. You know, say for woman matter. They know the reason and joke with me. You see Urema? I like her. And I feel buy you because of her. Period.
Ebuka! Ebuka! Izu, are you asking Urema out or you're dating her? Which one of them? I'm asking you a simple question. Are you dating her or you're asking her out?
I got you beats, alright? And I want you to dance with them tomorrow.
Wow, this is so lovely.
They're beautiful.
I love them. But back to the question. Izu! I'm not done talking! Izu, I'm talking to you!
Baby.
What's up?
Why are you here alone?
Well, I'm just trying to catch some breath, you know.
Don't tell me you're tired too soon.
I'm not tired, but, you know, I'm trying to be fine.
You are so fine.
And you're such a sweet girl.
Really? You mean it? Okay, come in and show me how much sweetness you enjoy.
You are very, 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 very sweet.
Come and show me, baby. Come.
Again? This is like the 4th time now.
Baby, are you tired?
Very tired.
See, this thing right here is not tired. Okay, come. I'll do all the work. Just lie down. Let me
really?
ride you.
Yes.
Oh. Let's go. Let me take care of you.
Okay. Let's go.
Boss the driver, he no get money, but he get a konuche. Money for the maintenance of the motor.
Are you following me or not? Stop it, Senor. Do you stop embarrassing me? Stop it. Good morning, ma.
Good afternoon.
Oh, sorry. Good afternoon, ma.
What do you want? And who are you looking for?
Madam, I'm here to clear the debt you owe Ichofo. I'm here to pay his money.
Clear the debt. How?
Because I don't want him to marry Uzioma. Hence, she doesn't want to marry him. She doesn't like him. She deserves to be happy. She's a good girl. I'm here to pay off the money.
You have the money.
This is it.
Hey! Mama, what is it? Ogini.
Here you go.
Hey!
Taxi driver. Mukota. He cleared the debt.
Hey!
I underrated you.
Eh?
Go where? Go where? You go now. How do you feel? What kind of thing is this? Eh?
No one could be a bar. What? He does not want you to marry him. See, he has cleared the debt.
Mama, I'm finally free.
Hey! Thank you, Jesus. Chukwu okike daalụ. Wait, who is this man?
Mama, a young man that used to come and eat in our shop. He came and saw me crying, and he was so persistent to know why I was crying. I had to tell him my story. He felt pity for me, but I didn't know he was going to pay the debt. Like, I didn't even know. The next thing I saw, he came back after he must have left. He came back again with his friend, with a bag of money.
Wait. Did I hear you very correctly? He gave you bag of money?
Mama, no, it's not like he gave the money to me. I was inside the shop when my auntie screamed. You know, I thought something bad was happening in our shop. I ran out, only for me to see her shouting, he has paid the debt, oh, he has paid the debt. With his bundle of money, I saw the money with my eyes.
Mama, this man must be an angel from above.
God sent. God sent.
He's a God sent. In fact, I want to see him with my eyes. How do I see him?
I will tell him. Mama, the funny thing is that he's a bus driver.
Bus driver?
I don't even know how he did it. 1.something million. I'm telling you, my dear.
My friend will no longer marry Papa.
I will not. How will I marry that old man? I don't even know how he got the money.
Your godmother is a good woman.
Yes, thank you. You know, she was so excited. She was happy.
I know.
So, what about your boss? You didn't come with your boss. Oh, no work today. What is it? Listen, you can talk to me, okay? What is it?
So I used my boss as a collateral to get some money.
You did what? Why? I mean, that's your only source of livelihood. How will you be coping now?
I told a friend of mine to give me some money. When he does, I'll get my boss back.
What if he doesn't?
He will.
That's very risky. You shouldn't have. That's the only way you make money. What will you be doing now? Eh? It's not nice. I pray he comes through for you.
From Naija, and I'm here now. Fugi Naija, what's up?
You're even a rapper. But anyways, I don't know why my mother gave me that name. I don't know what inspired her.
Well, let's say she wants the world to love you. From Naija.
Okay. Wow, love me.
And I'm here now, loving you now. Wow.
Love and not be by force, love and not be by guy.
Why don't you take me inside?
Oh, that's you see, maybe next time. You know, thank you for honoring my invitation. When we meet next time, I'll take you inside, okay?
Okay.
What about your sister? Will she be in shock by now?
I don't know. No, she's not. I'm sure by now she must have gone to visit one of her numerous boyfriends.
Boyfriends?
Yes, she has many of them.
But I heard that she don't have a man in her life. Anyway, that is by the way. You see, I'm heading for a meeting right now. You know, I have a meeting with Kubana, Dangote, Blessed Better. These are my business partners.
Do you want me to escort you?
No. You know, this indoor meeting, they don't need ladies there. It's wealthy men meeting, so I won't be needing you there.
Oh, okay.
Yes, let me look for transport for you. Then I will give you a call. See, I'll give you a call. Okay, yeah. Yes, 2,000. Take this for transport. Once I'm done with the meeting, I'll come so that I will send you an account number. Then let me see. I can push in some cash into it. Okay.
2,000.
Yeah. Just for your transport. I'm gonna push in cash there, man. Okay. Let me run along. Okay.
Okay.
See you. I like you.
So you transfer for me?
Yeah, I like you.
Bye.
Yeah. See you.
You call me, right?
Yeah, we are.
For him to have reacted that way, it means he does not want you. He does not want you. And you that I know too well, have you opened your leg for him?
No, Mama, no.
Adeze.
Mama, I said no now. We did not do anything. I only kissed him small. And then I cooked for him and left.
Hey! This one that you said now is a big lie. You that does not know how to even arrange firewood. Cooked. What did you cook for him?
You see your life. It's only you in your shop that they still use firewood. Nobody uses firewood again. He's using gas cooker. He's a big man now. I say this man has money. What's not firewood?
Adeze said that I know. You that doesn't know how to cook. It's still difficult for me to believe.
Mama, about that thing, eh? Let's talk about how Ozioma will leave this house, Mama. That is the main thing now. You said that that bus driver, you said he cleared the debt, right?
I just said it now.
Let him marry her. This is the right opportunity. She does not want to marry that old man. Let her marry this bus driver. He's fine and he's young and he's fair like her. So Ozubo, let them marry and go. I want her out of this house so that Maurice will concentrate on me. I don't want any irrelevant, stupid person to have his attention so that he can concentrate on me.
My shop.
Mama, now, you employ new person now. Your own is just to tell them what to do, train them and they'll pick up. Didn't you train her? Do this thing. Please, I want her out of this house. So that when he comes, you'll see only me. There's no competition.
Okay.
So bro, like this, very soon you become a married man.
Yes, so my brother.
Oh, congratulations, so I'm really happy for you. Thank you.
Big bro! Well, I think the congratulations should be for the both of us. Because I, Princess Onido, cannot wait to become your queen, my love.
Hello, and I can't wait too.
Wow, that's actually true though. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you, Ikena.
Congrats.
Thank you, my friend.
We look good together, right?
Yeah, you guys look good together.
Best match.
Yeah, match made in heaven.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. What's up?
I'm fine.
My name is Ikena. What's your name?
My name is Urema.
Urema. Nice name though. You look good.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
My pleasure.
Your friend will never change. Okay.
Ikena. Never missed you.
I missed you so much.
Ikena. No. I don't trust you. What did you tell my maid?
Just normal.
Ikena, you never changed. Would you?
I'm actually a changed person though.
Anyway, she's
When you guys should have your drink now. What are you guys waiting for?
That's it.
Drink.
Okay.
Yeah. Toast to us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheers.
Celebration time, yeah.
Yeah. I still do not trust you. I mean, the look. What did you tell her?
Nothing actually. Just come up here and get conversation.
Ure, so you think you're beautiful? Or that you're better off than every other maidens in this palace? Right? I'm asking you.
What is she even feeling like? Stupid girl. I saw her standing with the prince's friend. That cute guy, Ikena. You think you can come to this palace and render us useless? Most beautiful girl, right? Royal Sabi? Nonsense.
And I also heard you've been frolicking around my man, Izu, in this palace. You've been throwing yourself all over him, showcasing your useless hide-and-seek love on him. Now, let me warn you. You see that hide-and-seek useless love you are playing with my man? Put stop to it. If you ever, or if I ever see you anywhere near him, I mean any inch close to him, I will make sure I bath you with hot water. And not just hot water, I will spoil your face with acid in this palace. Nonsense. I don't blame you. I blame the queen that picked you out from the gutter. Smelly thing. Rubbish.
Don't mind her. See,
I'm warning you. Next time,
deal with her.
Rubbish.
Let's go. Stupid girl.